Schlotzsky's Key Franchise Information Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission and Vision of Schlotzsky's. Schlotzsky's is a fast casual restaurant chain famous for its oven-baked sandwiches, pizzas, salads, and soups. The company was founded in 1971 in Austin, Texas by Don and Dolores Disman. Schlotzsky's earns money by selling freshly prepared meals through dine-in, takeout, catering, and digital ordering. Their mission is to deliver bold flavors and unique recipes, while their vision is to grow as a leading sandwich and bakery cafe brand across the United States. Are you wondering if a Schlotzsky's franchise is right for you? In this video, we will give you key information about Schlotzsky's, from the brand's mission and vision, through its business model, to the support it offers to franchisees. This will help you make an informed decision about investing. How does a Schlotzsky's franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Schlotzsky's operates on a franchise system with over 300 locations in the U.S. Franchisees run their own restaurants under the Schlotzsky's brand, following strict standards for food quality, service, and layout. WIME fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $4,000, plus 6% royalty and 3% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Schlotzsky's. Franchisees receive help with site selection, construction, training, and marketing. The brand offers ongoing support through field consultants, digital platforms, and Focus Brands resources.
Anecdote: the very first Schlotzsky sandwich shop in Austin was so popular that customers lined up outside the door, and the original sandwich recipe is still served today.
2. Entry costs for Schlotzsky's. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $5,200 to $950 to $16,500 depending on location and format. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per unit is around $12,000. With profit margins from 10% to 18%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $12,000 to $16,000 annually.
Anecdote: one Schlotzsky's in Georgia reached $1,300,000 in sales during its first year thanks to a strong catering program for local businesses.
Step by step. How to register a Schlotzsky's franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, complete a discovery call, attend interviews, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $1,000 and liquid assets of $5,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote: during Discovery Day, one applicant impressed the team by bringing their own bread recipe, and although it wasn't added to the menu, they were quickly approved as a franchisee.
Core, taxes and fees in Schlotzsky's. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Some states may also charge industry-specific fees for alcohol licenses or catering permits. Licensing fees? These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Schlotzsky's charges 3% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes digital campaigns, seasonal promotions, and brand partnerships.
Anecdote. One Schlotzsky's in Florida used its local marketing budget to sponsor a sandwich showdown contest and doubled its loyalty app signups in just 1 week.
Phi. Hiring employees in Schlotzsky's. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Schlotzsky's location needs from 20 to 35 employees, including cooks, servers, prep staff, dishwashers, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $3,000 to $7,000, depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use Schlotzsky's e-learning platform and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. One Schlotzsky's in Texas trained its entire team using the digital platform and won Best Guest Experience in their region just 2 months after opening.
Deck 6. Schlotzsky's operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Monthly. Ingredients and resources. $9,000 to $16,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $16,000 to $32,000 including wages, insurance, and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $4,500 to $9,500 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises, $1,500 to $4,000 covering property, liability, and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $1,000 to $2,500 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $2,000 to $3,500 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $2,500 to $5,000 per month including sales and property taxes, other 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and income tax.
Anecdote. One Schlotzsky's in Arizona served over 6,500 sandwiches during a National Sandwich Day promotion, forcing the team to bake bread non-stop for 48 hours straight.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your training and support. How does Schlotzsky's help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees attend a multi-week onboarding program covering food safety, menu preparation, customer service, inventory, and financial management. Operational support. Each franchisee is assigned a franchise business consultant, FBC, who provides ongoing guidance in operations, staffing, and marketing. Support includes quarterly performance reviews and benchmarking. E-learning platform. Schlotzsky's offers a digital training system for crew members, including interactive modules, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect menu changes and operational updates. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. Schlotzsky's also provides branded assets, social media templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote. One Schlotzsky's in Oklahoma trained its entire team using the e-learning platform and won best customer service in their district within 3 months.
Tier T franchise inspections in Schlotzsky's. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Schlotzsky's corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote. A Schlotzsky's in North Carolina passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Bun Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
9. Profitability of Schlotzsky's. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Franchisees earn average annual revenues around $12,000. With profit margins from 10% to 18%, net earnings typically range from $12,000 to $16,000 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 10% to 18%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 3 to 5 years depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, diverse menu options, catering services, and strategic placement in high-traffic areas. Locations near offices, schools, and shopping centers tend to perform best.
Anecdote. One Schlotzsky's in Colorado broke even in just 34 months, thanks to a location near a hospital and a lunch combo special that boosted repeat visits by 20%.
The 10. Schlotzsky's in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Schlotzsky's operates over 300 locations across the U.S., making it a recognized player in the sandwich and bakery cafe segment. Growth and expansion. The brand is expanding through digital ordering, loyalty programs, and new formats like co-branded locations with Cinnabon. In 2025, Schlotzsky's added 12 new U.S. locations and launched a sustainability initiative focused on packaging and food waste reduction. Challenges. Rising food costs, labor shortages, and competition from Subway, Panera, and Firehouse subs have impacted margins. Schlotzsky's responds with menu innovation, tech upgrades, and flexible build-outs. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through value dining trends, loyalty programs, and family-focused promotions. The U.S. fast casual sandwich market is projected to grow from $22 billion in 2025 to $28 billion by 2030, CAGR 5.1%.
Anecdote. In 2025, Schlotzsky's launched its first Express Schlotzsky's concept in a shopping mall, and saw a 26% increase in lunch traffic within the first quarter.
11. Pros and cons of a Schlotzsky's franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand recognition in the sandwich and bakery cafe segment. B. Diverse menu including sandwiches, pizzas, and salads. C. Backed by Focus Brands Group, same parent as Cinnabon and Auntie Anne's. Established training and support systems. Cons. A. High initial investment compared to smaller sandwich chains. B. Strong competition from Subway, Panera, and Firehouse Subs, C. Limited international presence, D. Operational complexity with multiple menu categories.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Texas said, "Schlotzsky's gives you the bread, the brand, and the backing. You just need the drive."
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information, market research, study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment, review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Schlotzsky's owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Schlotzsky's training, tech, and marketing support with other sandwich brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote: one franchisee almost signed with a pizza brand, until they saw Schlotzsky's catering margins and realized sandwiches were the real goldmine.
Conclusion: who is the Schlotzsky's franchise for, and is it worth investing? Schlotzsky's is ideal for entrepreneurs who love bold flavors, high-traffic retail, and a proven fast casual model. With average annual revenues around $12,000 and profit margins from 10% to 18%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 3 to 5 years, making it one of the more stable opportunities in the sandwich cafe category. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $5,200 to $16,500, and Schlotzsky's enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in terms of menu customization, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Schlotzsky's is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for hospitality and crave-driven retail. If you're ready to lead a team, serve flavorful sandwiches, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote: in 2025, a Schlotzsky's in Atlanta broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 7,200 sandwiches and 350 pizzas in 24 hours. Bibliography: Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. Dutch Bros Coffee. Is Dutch Bros Coffee a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.